Hey everyone, Eric with Rockin H. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take off these DCP stainless fenders. I had a guy recently ask how to do that, and I don't know that I've covered that, quickly. So let's get to work. This is a fairly typical setup as far as the stainless steel axles go. You can already see I've taken one off of the driver or passenger side. Then there was a third axle, which I took off because this particular model I'm creating doesn't need a third axle. But essentially, you just grab them like so and wiggle them off. Sometimes they come off harder or easier. It's pretty variable, to be honest. Other times, if they're being a little stubborn, you can take a needle nose plier and wrap that in a rag like so. And then if you want to salvage these fenders or resell them, you can wiggle them off like this, and then you don't scuff the stainless or get it out of round like this. So that works really well. Then you can reuse them, or like I said, you can sell them. To take the rear ones off, you're going to do the same thing. I find it pretty easy if you go ahead and remove the axles. If you don't want to remove the axles or have a handy tool in order to do that, you can do the same thing as you did before. Wrap your rag or wrap your plier in a rag like so, and just gently wiggle them off. It is a little easier if you have the axles removed. And of course, if you don't want to reuse them, you can simply just break them off with your plier. And there you have it. Another good way to do this too is if you take these axles off again, and if you need a tire tool like this, you can get in here and pop those tires off really easily. You can get in with a small grinder on a Dremel or something and just grind the top of that rivet off, and then those fenders will just pop clean off without any mess or fuss. So there's two ways you can do it. Of course, it all depends on what your ambition is with the leftover parts. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget, you can always learn everything step by step at diecastlab.com. And if you love DCP trucks as much as I do, check out diecastlibrary.com. Thanks for watching.